Hello students, in previous part we have studied about functional group, and in this part we will discuss on homologous series and nomenclature of carbon compounds. First one, what do you understand by homologous series? A list or series of compound in which same functional group substitute the hydrogen or substitute for hydrogen in a carbon compound. Homologous series it is a list or series of a compounds which have same functional group, यानी एक ऐसा कार्बन कंपाउंड्स का ग्रुप जिसका फंक्शनल सिमिलर हो और उसमें हाइड्रोजन कार्बन के साथ साथ वन बाय वन करके सब्स्टिट्यूट होता रहे, दैट इज कॉल्ड होमोलोगस सीरीज. Homologous series just similar to the AP in mathematics, arithmetic progressions. How the homologous series can be explained? Suppose we have some example of the same functional group compounds: methanol, ethanol, propanol, butanol. These are the hydrocarbon compounds and they have same function group, all alcoholic group. How we can represent this in homologous series? Methanol, the chemical formula of methanol is CH3OH. Ethanol, C2H5OH. Propanol, C3H7OH. And butanol, C4H9OH. These are in increasing ascending order, C1, 2, 3, 4 in the series, and they have same functional group. Just like as in mathematics, AP, which statement? The statement that has only in AP which has common difference is the same. Such like as in statement 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We know that 2A is equal to 2, A1, 4, A2, 6, 8, A3, 8 and A4, 10. How we can calculate the common difference? Common difference, D is equal to A minus A, or you can say that A1 minus A, then next one is A2 minus A1, then A3 minus में A2 and then A4 minus में A3. If they have same common difference, then we can say that this statement is in AP. For example, D1 A1 क्या है? 4. 4 minus A2, common difference is equal to 2. Same D, A2 6 and A1 4. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. A3 8, A2 6 is equal to 2. And A4 10, A3 8 it is also contain common difference. All this statement contains 2, so we can say that this statement is in AP. Just like as homologous series, a carbon compounds which have similar functional group and they substitute hydrogen one by one in a carbon compound, that is called homologous series. For example, it contains carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? It is, and they have similar functional group. if we just calculate the common difference of this, so we can say that methanol is CH3OH is equal to A1, C2H5OH A2, C3H7OH A3, C4H9OH is equal to A4. If we just calculate the common difference, just like AP, then we can say that D is equal to A2 minus में A1. A2 कितना है? C2, C2 minus में C1, 1C. C, H5 और इधर H कितना है? 3. तो we can say that H2, OH से OH कट. सेम स्टेटमेंट में क्या होगा? C3 माइनस में C2 दैट इज इक्वल टू, यानी A2 माइनस में A2 के लिए A3 माइनस में A2 करे तो C3 में से C2 करे तो C, H7 H5 देन इट इज आल्सो कंटेन CH2 OH से OH कट. और इसके अंदर निकालें तो A4 माइनस में A3, इसके लिए क्या करेंगे? C4 minus C3 that also C, H9 minus H7 H2 OH. They have same common difference. If they have same common difference, then we can say that this is the hydrocarbon compound in ascending orders are in homologous series. But in arithmetic progressions, we can say that different statements have different common difference. But in homologous series, if the functional group of the hydrocarbon compound is similar, the common difference always be taken D. Common difference means D is equal to CH2. Always remains CH2, or we can say that 14 unit. Why it is called 14 unit? We can say that C, carbon atomic mass is 12 and H atomic mass is 1, but as there are two atoms, so we can say that 1 into 2, 2. 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. In homologous series, the common difference always remains same, CH2, or we can write it 14 unit. This is the homologous series. The next one is nomenclature of hydrocarbon compounds. Nomenclature. What do you mean by nomenclature? Nomenclature of hydrocarbon compounds. Nomenclature means to give a name of any compound. किसी भी कंपाउंड को नेम प्रोवाइड कराना, that is called nomenclature. To give a name to the hydrocarbon compound. हाइड्रोकार्बन कंपाउंड को कोई भी नेम प्रोवाइड करवाना, दैट इज कॉल्ड नोमेनक्लेचर. इन दिस चैप्टर वी कैन से दैट हाइड्रोकार्बन कंपाउंड. अदरवाइज टू गिव ए नेम ऑफ एनी स्पीसीज, दैट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड नोमेनक्लेचर. हाउ वी कैन गिव द नेम ऑफ एन हाइड्रोकार्बन कंपाउंड एज वेल एज हाउ इट इज रिटन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी कैन टेक एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ C3H7OH. How we can write its name with a nomenclature? First of all, we will count in this compound C3. If C3, that is called probe. And formula, just we know that it compound contain OH, functional group. The functional group in this compound is OH. O stand for alcohol. Clear? Only till 10th class we can say that always functional group added with the alkane. The functional group added with the alkane. This is applicable only for 10th class. So we can say that C3, it contains C3, that is called pro. And we have already discussed that functional group always added with alkane. So we can say that this is the pro plus ane. And functional group, it contains functional group alcohol. The suffix of alcohol is all. So we can write it prop plus ane plus all. So we can say that this is the formula of propanol. How we can write it? Prop ane. Just erase or delete it with E and write up all. So this is the nomenclature process in a hydrocarbon compound. Again listen, what is nomenclature? Nomenclature means to provide the name of any species. In this chapter we can write it to provide the name to the hydrocarbon compounds. How we can write or how we can give the name to the hydrocarbon compound? First of all, we have to count the number of carbon number. Then we can write it, we can listen it, we can choose this. What is the functional group? Functional group, this contain OH means alcohol. Up to 10th class we can say that functional group is always added with alkane. So number of carbon compound plus ane, after deleted the ane E vowel and added with the functional group suffix, such like as alcohol. For alcohol it is known as all. So we can say that this is the propanol. Clear?